All the activity downtown has Cincinnati police on high alert. Chief Blackwell is pulling out all the stops to make sure everybody downtown is safe. In addition to police officers, cadets, police explorers, and citizens on patrol will watch out for you. Blackwell calls it Operation Triple Play.
We have resources and assets in place throughout the downtown area to handle not only the Macy's Festival, but the Reds game and the rest of downtown. But we also didn't forget the rest of the city. So we canceled casual leave. We made it an all-hands-on-deck weekend so that we had adequate resources to work the rest of the 52 neighborhoods in Cincinnati as well.